Open die forging. Let us see an example for open die forging. A simple open die forging machine consists of cylinder, steam tubes, column, piston rod, motion control lever, anvil foundation, ram, top die, workpiece, bottom die and anvil. In open die forging, the deformation of hot billet takes place in between two flat open dies. Hence, this forging is called as open die forging. Closed die forging. Let us see an example for closed die forging. A simple closed die forging machine consists of column, ram, top die, cavity, bottom die and control rod. Hot billet. By heavy impact force, the billet deforms in the closed die. Hence, this forging is called as closed die forging. Press forging. Let us see a 3D model of a press forging machine. A simple press forging machine consists of flywheel, handle, stopper, ram, frame, screw, base and guide. Press forging deforms a hot metal slowly and uniformly to desired shape. This press forging machine is operated manually or by power drive.